All right, chat, piggy time.
We're speedrunning this chapter.
Hey,
A barbershop Kaz that costs a quarter.
Whoa! What the?
Chat, they're fine.
That thing. 67.
Wronged, brew.
What? That's it! I have had enough!
Hey everyone! Four here, and we're live playing Piggy! Let's go!
Ooh, I love this game. Check this out. Barbershop haircut that cost a quarter.
Whoa! What the fuck was that?
Okay, stream, we're just gonna keep walking until we find something cool.
Longest walk ever! Oh, house ahead!
Nice, let's check it out.
Home tour time!
Hearing that?
Uh-oh.
TNT, run!
Go!
Whoa!
And there goes the house!
Chad's going nuts right now.
I'm in. Watch this. Whoa, hit that noobs. And set. Oh, you want speed? I'll give you speed. Done.
Ew! What are you typing this time?
hey, what's going on in
None
here?
of your business, 11.
Uh-oh. Something's
Wait, what?
happening.
Аз съм най-добрият, който имам тунг-тунг сахарот. Ха! Вземам и мозъка! Хайде, още малко.
Спри това, Чук-Чук, спри да играеш.
Не сега, на един удар съм.